Hi, good morning, guys. So today is Saturday, January 6th, 2018. I'm currently at the office. I'm going to grab about 4 bundles of hair to take to someone, which I don't usually do, but this is a specific situation. I caused it on myself. Hey guys, so what I'll be doing now is that I'll be moving on to my next order. A client of mine had ordered some dark hair. She wanted a second wig, and so we've decided on some color. So these are custom colored, and this is the frontal we'll be using. So what I did was some highlights and lowlights. My clients seem to love this style very much. I'm always getting orders for this type of style, and this is a third bundle. I'm not sure if we're going to be using all bundles, but we will try to fit in as much as possible. So let's go. Today we'll be using our Brother machine to make this unit, so watch and learn.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like. Straight from the machine onto my head. I'm going to be putting in some soft layers about here and a little over to this side as well. I'll be tinting the lace and making modification to the hairline, even though it's been pre-plucked. You can see that right here is a little dense, so I'm going to free that up a little bit. But overall, I'm extremely happy with the fit of it. It's also very flat, which is very important to me. I'm known to make units extremely flat. So Karen, your unit is ready. Almost. I'm going to put some big waves in it as well. I think it's going to look nice with some big waves. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so I've come to the end of my work day. Hubby brought lunch for me. Let me see what's in this big old tub. Suspect it's... Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there's a fish in this somewhere. And fish head. I'm going to have fun eating this. So this is week 1. Started with a bang, so I'm going to have to do some serious time management so that I don't get as lost as I was last year. Last year, boy, I'm not sure if you guys would have noticed, but I've lost quite a bit of weight just being busy making wigs and never stopping to have lunch. So thank God for hobby. Some good food. Alright guys, talk to you later. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.